Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker and this is Vehicle Versions, and today we've got a pretty exciting day in store for you guys. One, Vanderhaal. Let's get some love for the Vanderhaal. Honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the review on this. One of my favorite new cars, really limited, small company. The style is incredible. This thing is $35,000 to 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. It's all electric. I freaking love it. Some love for the Maybach. You know I love Maybachs. And the 600, yikes. I love this car. You guys know this is my favorite car in the collection. Why haven't I driven it? I don't know. It's kind of silly. The Supra. Guys, we need an update on the Supra. So honestly, I'm gonna do a little quick once around through the car collection. You guys maybe comment like Supra, and the most votes on any one of these cars I'll do a video on next. Comment 600 LT, we'll see how many votes it gets. Comment 812 Superfast. I loved your wrap suggestions, by the way, so I've been talking to a couple wrap companies about changing up the colors of the cars. Of course, the Cullinan, love this thing. We'll do a little visit to the off-road track. Check this out for those of you who haven't seen the video with the Cullinan where I paved an off-road track using a Rolls Royce, and then eventually I'm gonna put some pavement in so that I can, look, I've got groundhogs. What are they doing there, dude? That's a racetrack, come on, man. Honestly, I started my channel, I wanted to become successful purely to buy this car right here, a 2004 Lamborghini in Giallo Midas with a black interior. Got that car when I was 20, fast forward to 25, got one again. This one is a manual. Now, I started thinking, what made this channel great? Why did I start this channel? And it was the love for Lamborghini, plain and simple. So today, we're gonna go to a Lamborghini dealership and check out, you guys have been commenting a lot about this, a Huracan Evo. I don't know, guys, would having a Huracan Evo on the channel be pretty cool? Kinda want a Verde Mantis one, kinda wanna supercharge it, kinda wanna bring a green Lambo back to the channel. Check this out, guys, little sneak peek of Parker's home renovation. Got some new floors that I actually put in myself. More on the process behind that, what I did. Bought a lot of stuff at Home Depot, do it yourself. I'm all about that, saving money. More on that in a bit. Let's go check out some Lambos, guys. Pulling up to Lambo Newport Beach. The spec on that 600 is wild. Well, guys, we finally made it to Lamborghini Newport Beach at their new facility. And I have to say, one, I love the guys there, but I've never seen, this is one of the coolest dealers I've been to in a long time. And the specs on some of the cars they have in their inventory actually make me super jealous. For one, this is a final edition. The last 12 600 LTs in the United States are made in this special, I don't want to get the name wrong, Suggestria Borealis. I definitely butchered that name, but check this out. It's all black, yet has lime green MSO style accents in this amazing spider web pattern. What do you guys think? I feel like doing something similar. I don't know what color it would be with the Lantana purple, but that looks absolutely incredible. Maybe white or black stripes. Obviously a McLaren GT. Look at that, a Regera inside the showroom. That's just classic Lamborghini Newport Beach, just hiding Regeras in there. Obviously the beautiful Cullinan, but the reason we are here, I'm speechless. Look, another 600 LT. But the reason we are here, guys, is the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. You guys know how much I absolutely adore the Huracan. Now, flashback to, damn, it's 6 to 9 months ago when I was out in Malibu, invited by Lamborghini to test drive the new Evo and Evo Spyder. Had an absolute blast. Was so impressed with the way the car operated, drove, and actually the new interior. Now, I thought at first, I'm gonna get a coupe. I'm gonna get an all-wheel drive coupe just like old times. But then I think I might like the rear-wheel drive Spyder more. Hold on a second before you freak out. Here is the front end, and I want you guys to comment, of the rear-wheel drive car. So it's a little bit smoother and rounder, almost like Regera-esque. And then this one is a little bit sharper. This is all-wheel drive. It's got these extra, the little Y shape here, whereas this, it just almost looks cleaner in my opinion. Then we come around to the rear of the cars. The sides are identical. The rear of the all-wheel drive car has a bunch of fins down low, kind of like the Centenario, so to speak. They're all vertically oriented, and there's a bunch of them. Then we come over to the rear of the rear-wheel drive car, and I'm honestly stunned. They connected some of them, and that rear diffuser, in my opinion, if we look right here, is actually better looking. So what do you guys think? Comment in the comment section below. Do you like the rear-wheel drive car or the all-wheel drive car more? Now coming into the interior, this is where things get epic. Check this out. Go ahead and open those very familiar Huracan doors. Kind of missed that. It's like a reverse GTR door. Check this out, guys. These are the brand new seats for the Evo Spyder. I've never seen these seats before. They are fully carbon fiber. They've got beautiful lime green stitching. You know I love lime green. You know I like stitching. And then we've got this beautiful handle that actually is really easy to move the seats forward and backwards. I know it sounds silly, right guys? Why would the ease of which you move the seat forward and backwards play a role into buying a car? Well, when you own a car for a long time, it's the little things that add up to make an ultimate car. And in certain cars, when you pull on this and you slide the seat forward, it's kind of annoying. It bumps on different places and it's rough. And when you pay this much money for a car, better part of 300 grand, you kind of want everything to work perfectly. And often you're left disappointed. This car, yeah, I haven't found a single thing I hate about it yet. This is epic. That's an iPad inside of a Lamborghini. I can't hate on that. That's awesome. Super fast response, navigation, telephone, media, all the good stuff. And then of course the center display, different driving modes that changes the tachometer from kind of a cool, simple, you know, Strata mode. But why would we use Strata mode when we can go straight to Corsa mode, which has this beautiful, just the coolest looking tachometer ever, which I'll show you when I take this car for a little test drive. Honestly, being inside of a Lamborghini Huracan again, I really need one of these cars, guys. So honestly, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you genuinely want to see a Huracan Evo back on the channel? Because I certainly do. All right, guys, we just got the keys to the Huracan Evo Spyder rear-wheel drive. I'm honestly super excited. I have not driven the rear-wheel drive variant of the Huracan Evo yet, just the coupes. Let's start it up. I know the exhaust sounds good because I heard it pulling over here, but I think you guys are gonna like the way it sounds. It almost doesn't need an exhaust from the factory, and that's pretty badass. All right, go ahead, close the door. Obviously, one of the coolest parts of the car is this flip-up fighter jet style ignition. Fire it up. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I miss having a Huracan so much. Thank you guys so much. If you've been subscribed since I had the Huracan, you guys are the best. If you're new to the channel, I used to have an amazing Lamborghini Huracan that was supercharged, over 800 horsepower, and it was one of my favorite cars I've ever had. So reliable, so epic, and I put the better part of 30,000 miles on the car. You can't really beat that. So we'll go ahead and go over some interior features real quick. Strata mode, as you can see, that's what the display looks like. Put it in a sport, it gets yellow, the exhaust opens. Bam, Corsa mode. Why would you not drive in Corsa mode? That's all I'm saying. Now, look at the screen again. Vehicle, different ambient lighting options. I love that there's ambient light options. Thank you, Lamborghini. The sounds this car makes. Oh my God. It's not like I forgot what a Huracan sounds like, but it's almost like I forgot how gosh darn glorious a naturally aspirated V10 is that pops and cracks and bangs. Oh my God. I miss this thing. I need one, guys. I need one. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I think I need this on the channel. Oh, let's go. Oh my God! I gotta admit, they made the car a lot faster. The gearing, the transmission software, the added power. This car feels like an entirely different beast from the normal Huracan. It just does, and I like the beast. This is how you put it into manual mode or automatic. So we're gonna put it in sport, automatic, so it's a little bit easier to drive while I'm filming with you guys. Let me turn the AC down because that is cranking. So here's the AC unit. Go ahead and turn the fan speed down. Super easy to use. When music's playing, you can turn the volume up and down by scanning 3 fingers, and you can tap and move songs forward. It's literally just like an iPhone or an iPad, and I love that. It's simple, it's integrated, it's easy, and honestly, how can you not claim that this is not a beautiful interior? I mean, I think it is. What do you guys think? The spec on this one, I mean, this one's for sale, right? Lime green interior, carbon. I'm not fully sold on the white, but of course there's wrap options. I dig it.
Can you dig it?
There's a black one inside too, red stitching. So it's a black and red car, same seats. Could also be a sick option. Black, just so you guys know, is easier to wrap. That's because the black hides imperfections. If you wrap over white, you notice the door jambs are bright white. Even though the car is green, it looks a little silly. Black, it just kind of blends in. You know, a car is almost perfect when you don't have to drive it more than 10 feet without realizing this is freaking awesome. Honestly, some cars are so sick you just sit in them and they don't even have to move to realize they're awesome. This being one of them, but the second you get behind the wheel in a Huracan Evo, I mean, it's like, it's so epic, guys. That sound is legendary. Lamborghini, you have my heart and you always will, but oh my God. Well guys, I had such a blast checking out this car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below, should I get an Evo? What color? Rear wheel drive, all wheel drive, Spyder or coupe? Seriously, your feedback is very important to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. I'll see you next video.